So now I'm going to start or going to talk about that how random numbers can be generated using logistic map and who has given the idea of it, right? So SC Pathak, let me briefly talk about its history. SC Pathak and SS Rao in 1995 in their paper entitled, the title of the paper is Logistic Map a possible random number generator. This possible random number generator, this is the title of the paper which they have written, and it was published in Physical Review E and in this paper they claimed that logistic map is a logistic map is a chaotic region that is, this chaotic region, it is a region beyond beyond mu is equal to 3.828427, that is means the logistic map or about which I am talking about, it is the logistic map. So beyond this, let us take this mu as 4xi, means for such a map, if we consider this map, then this can be used to generate random numbers. So now question arises that how these people reach at the conclusion that the population so generated, that is random. So for that, when they critically analyzed the results, they found that bug population is correlated up to 6th generation, and after that correlation die out. So that means the die out of the correlation suggested these people that the population is now random. Thus we conclude that logistic map can be used as a random number generator. Means the conclusion, let me write down the conclusion, that logistic map can be used to generate random numbers. That's all for this lecture.